Grace Moritz Apartments represents a fabulous opportunity for anyone to become a property owner in St Moritz. Buyers are purchasing a property within an international luxury hotel, but also when you're not using the apartment, you have the ability to generate revenue. And since the apartments are an integral part of the hotel, owners will have access to all of the facilities.
We had to think what kind of facilities guests and owners will want. We've got a lovely all-day dining area with beautiful views of the lake. We've got a beautiful bar. There's even going to be a cigar lounge, and we've designed a lovely spa.
The architecture of the spa created a very dramatic space with a faceted ceiling, and we created a series of stepped terraces on which the new volume is perching. And the way the two sit together, they form a whole.
We've decided to expand the property, so all of the accommodation is substantially larger. The challenge for us is to preserve the distinctive character and charm of the former Margna hotel, to deliver a culturally connected experience to our apartment owners. And this restored property will preserve the town's traditions while setting new standards focused on authenticity.
Authentic is probably the word that describes St Moritz the best. It has been around forever as a tourist destination. In the 19th century, thousands of tourists spent their summers here. Soon after that, St Moritz became the first winter resort. Then in the 60s, stars from around the world, they all spent their winter holidays here.
The La Margna building has been part of the landscape of St Moritz since its very beginning. So we've tried to take some of those historical details and incorporate those into the design.
We created a luxurious home away from home feel with very carefully curated accessories and specially commissioned artworks that reflected St Moritz during the seasons.
In summer, our lakes here in the Engadine Valley are very popular for windsurfers, sailors and kite surfers. Then of course all the hiking activities, mountain biking, climbing and golf.
In the winter, the destination offers downhill and Nordic skiing with the Cresta Run, while on the frozen Lake St Moritz there's horse racing, cricket and polo tournaments. Life in St Moritz places you among some of the world's finest boutiques and restaurants in an exclusively beautiful valley alongside a lake.
I believe that St Moritz and our valley is a year-round destination. It's famous for their tradition, for the beautiful nature, and of course the 322 sunny days a year.
Owners will also receive complimentary membership of Strictly Grace, which is our global VIP recognition program. Well, we have 12 hotels either open or under development on 5 continents, and the hotel has to be an expression of the destination. Great design allows us to showcase the very best of what we do.
The relationship between the old and the new was the key, the past glory of a hotel that has been loved and cherished by the local community, at the same time giving it a new life in the 21st century hospitality.
St Moritz is in a constant state of reinventing itself, and the Grace Hotel is a good sign that people invest in our village. So the local population is very happy to welcome the future owners of the Grace Apartments.
This is a rare chance to acquire a property in a new and highly sought-after development. Grace St Moritz Apartments offers boutique luxury that's grounded in authenticity, and we strive to create memories through locations where our guests can have the experience of a lifetime.